so that we can speak about the importance of these 5 pivotal years of your high school. So first, I would like a round of applause for all the parents, students and teachers who came together with conditions today and understood the importance of orientation. A lot of times in the past, we have kept orientations just with the students. And this is the first ever orientation where we have called parents along with the students so that we can explain the vision of the school and explain the philosophy of student, parent and school partnership. For us, it's not just either student, and I think the third most important one is for you to understand what these 5 years essentially mean in your education trajectory. So I'll go over all of these 3. So firstly, I'll introduce my name. Of course, I'm Ali Sana. I graduated from a liberal arts school, which is in upstate New York. It's called Hobart and William Smith Colleges. I graduated with a degree in economics and linguistics. So I started off my career as a career counselor, and in 2017, we started a company which is called Kestrel Education. It evolved all the way from Islamabad, went to Lahore, went to Karachi, and we became the pioneers of exclusive career counseling. So when we say career counseling, it's not just placing students to the top universities, it is making students realize their true potential. So we started off from Islamabad, and as we went around the nation, we became a brand name known for sending students to top universities like Harvard, Stanford, UK, and whatnot when it comes to the top liberal arts schools of America. So now, throughout this journey, we were working as external agents for the schools that lacked career counseling expertise or personalized career counseling, right? So we had students who were coming to us from various top schools, and then there was a gap that we saw between the vision of what the universities wanted and what the schools were offering, right? So what we used to do was, we used to fulfill that gap, the gap between what schools were offering and what top universities like Harvard, Stanford, other Ivy Leagues like Brown, Dartmouth, Columbia, UPenn wanted. Now in this process, we started to realize that there were 8 holistic values that all the schools, the top schools wanted to see in their students. And those values were not just important to be successful in top universities abroad, but they were general 8 values that were important to be successful in life, right? And that's how Kaizen came into being. We came up with a school with a philosophy where we didn't want to just focus on depth of knowledge, but also breadth of knowledge, right? So you must have heard in introduction meetings where we consistently speak about 8 goals that we want every child to fulfill, because those 8 goals will assist you to bring the best out of you, to also, more importantly, learn about yourself. To shine out across Lahore as students of Kaizen who differentiate not only in success and grades, but also in terms of their character and integrity. Okay, and for that, we will speak about different things that we have planned for this year. And I would really want my A-level students as well to understand that these 2 years will go by very fast. How many of you are from A1s? Quite a few. And how many are from O-levels? Okay, so I think the students who have joined us in A-levels, the teachers are also here to speak to you all. These 2 years will go by very fast. O-levels is comparatively slower because you have 3 years to cover the knowledge. A-levels, you have just 2 years, and essentially I say it's a year and a half, without summer breaks and winter breaks. So it is essentially a year and a half. So in a year and a half, you have to make your profile. In a year and a half, you have to keep up with your grades. In a year and a half, you have to figure out switching from ATP to actual practicals. So everything needs to be done in a very short period of time. And something that our teachers also reiterate and tell the parents and students that do not get complacent if you did well in O-levels. Do not get complacent if you had A's in O-levels thinking A-levels will be the same. It's not the same. You have to study, you have to work hard from day one when you sit in the classes. Right? A lot of parents and also students have this understanding that hum end pe tuition le lenge and we are going to produce result as we already did in O-levels. That's going to be a myth. There is a reason we have this, the top faculty coming to us so that in a very shorter period of time they can impart the knowledge and they can make you understand how to crack the code of getting A and A star. Right? So when you will be working with these faculty members, if you start missing classes, it's like, building blocks. So if you miss the baseline infrastructure, you won't be able to catch in the remaining classes. So this goes for both the levels, O and A levels, that the school wants to follow a very, strict attendance policy, not for us, it is for you all. I want you all to understand that institutions are very tough or very hard on, certain parameters of education, attendance, they will get very strict with you. Agar aaj nahi aaye, kal class se bahe. 2 din baad nahi aaye, they will get even harder on you. My understanding, the way I tell you is that I want you all to take your own responsibility, because even if I create a very rigid environment for you all, you will be dragged into a mold. And when you will come out of these 5 years, since there is no mold, you will go back to your own routine and you won't be able to take care of yourself. But if I go the other way around, if I create that mold within you, एक है mold आप पे impose करना और एक है mold आपके within create करना. So ये जो 8 goals की हम बात करते हैं, they will create the mold within your child, जहाँ पे बच्चे को समझो कि these 5 years, you're no more going to school because of your parents, you're no more going to school because of your grandparents, you're no more going to school because of your relatives and your cousin competition. You're going to school O-levels onwards for yourself to make a brand of your own. So please start, believing in yourself, and please start thinking when you come to the school that this is an opportunity for you all to make a brand name of your own. We will assist you with, all the societies, initiatives you want. We will assist you with the top faculty. We will assist you with any resource you need. But you all have to come together as a community to understand that it's just for building yourself, it is for your best interest that you show up and you stay within the parameters that have been defined by the school. Okay? So I welcome you all. Today we are going to cover a lot of things about the program, and it's a pleasure meeting everybody. I look forward to working with the students, parents, as well as teachers. Thank you everybody. Thank you so much.